How to change ringtone on Android to a song. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change ringtone on Android to a song. First, then open settings and scroll down until you find sounds and vibration, and scroll down. Here you will find phone ringtone. Click on it and then just click this one, music on device, and here we'll find your phone songs. Just select any song you want, like this one, and then go back, and that's it. It will be saved. And that's how to change ringtone on Android to a song on and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.